Hey, I'm Adam Mattos with Sterling Machinery Exchange. Let's get into it. This is a 26 by 120 engine lathe. Nice GMC, really clean. Take a look at all the ways here. You can see there's barely been a chip on this machine. Right now we have our feed mode. We'll show you here our different feeds. We have our longitudinal, rapids, going all four ways, nice and smooth, running just the way they should be. Get you set up really quick. You can see it's a nice running machine. I don't know what size you're looking for, but please give us a call at 626-444-0311. Let's find out what size machine you're looking for. If you have something bigger or smaller, if you want to buy, sell, or trade, we'd love to work with you. As you can see, we have some great machinery in stock. Go to sterlingmachinery.com for more information and some great financing options. Thank you.